Outstanding design defines the 2017 Ford F-350.
Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine.
And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain.
Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a trailer hitch, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Call now to schedule a test drive.